Hello guys, this is Vinit from Edge-Forex and today is the 13th of November 2024. And I want to go back a little bit, say, what's the date on this particular one? Just about a month or so ago, the 17th of October, I came out and said, hey, there is this potential trade in DXY dollar index and all dollar-denominated currencies is forming, and be ready because when it breaks out, it's going to have a really, really big move. And here is when I came out and on our channel, and I said that, hey guys, this is potential, but the breakout is going to be huge, and this is at 103. And then, sure enough, I came out and said, hey guys, now is the time to get in. It has broken out, and it's going to be an epic move. Let's get all in. All right, guys. So, and I also came out and did a prediction on EUR USD, saying that, hey, a really good trade is being set up and time to get in now here. For example, here was that initial setup. This is right around 110. And I say, hey, looking like we have really good setup, time to get in now. And it's going to have at least 200, 300, 400 pip move in a relatively short amount of time. And I kept giving you guys updates as to, hey, this is how it's going. It's looking really good. If you guys were in the trade when I asked you guys, great. If not, now is the time to get in because it's got a long way to go. All right, guys. And then I kept coming out and giving you guys an update on, hey, how that trade is going. Here is an update that, hey, trade is not fully played out yet. It's about halfway there. If you guys have not gotten in, time to get in now. All right, guys. So then I kept saying to you guys, and here, on the other hand, Dixie had broken to the upside. So that was my confirmation that, hey, trade has a lot further to go, which is EUR USD. Okay. And then here, the trade had fully played out. We made easy 250 pips, and everybody is happy. So now the story is not fully played out yet. It is still in the process of being played out. Then I came out again. Guys, yes, we called out the Dixie breakout, and it was at the time was sitting at 104.5. But hey, it's the decision time because it was sitting at all the important trend lines, and it has tested the bottom, gone up, and it was sitting right at the breakout point. And our prediction at the time, as you guys know, that, hey, our prediction is that it's going to break out on the upside versus the downside. We favored the upside. And that's exactly what had happened. So if you guys had placed our trade, which I hope you did, because nobody is communicating that to me, that, hey, if you did or you didn't. But if you guys did place that trade, you would have made some serious cash. Now, all that said, I came out again about USDCHF. Hey guys, this is looking really good and time to get in because this setup was absolutely textbook bullish flag setup, price breakout, time to get in. As we did. And hope you guys did too. And the same thing here. I came out with an, hey, let me play this guy for you. This is funny. Let me play this for you. Hang on. Actually, I need to turn the recording thing on for this. 1 second, guys. Just 1 second. All right. Let me play from the beginning here. The mother of all head and shoulders is forming an EUR USD daily chart. This could be the big one. The neckline, yeah, that's our trigger. Once that breaks, it's sell time. And I mean sell big. This is the type of setup that could rake in 500 or more pips in a single trade. Want to know exactly when to strike? Follow now. Anyways, so I came out and I was like screaming from the mountaintop. And that, hey guys, time to get it now. Let's EUR USD to sell. And sure enough, that's exactly what happened. So let's go back, look at some charts now. All right, guys. So let me remove all the lines here. So we are looking at the daily chart of dollar index that I was talking to you about earlier. Okay, so the long-term trend line. Let's draw a long-term trend line. Okay, 1 sec. The long-term trend line is right here. So see that congestion right around here? That's when I came out and say, guys, it's about to break out. Time to get in now. And that's exactly what it did. It broke out of this long-term trend, and it's a decisive break because, see, there's that congestion. You went up and then came down to check, to confirm, and then bounced right back up again. Textbook bounce. Cannot fight that because you don't want to fight these kind of bounces. You want to play along. You want to go with the trend on these things. You don't want to fight the trend. All right, guys. So then another thing that happened here. And let me show you guys. 1 second. 1 second, guys. All right, here. Okay, why didn't it move? Anyways, the point I'm trying to make here is an inverse head and shoulder pattern that developed right here. So that's another point that I made earlier, that there were so many things that are happening at that same time. So the breakout was imminent. And then that's exactly what happened. So let me draw another trend line here in the bottom. Okay. And then let's draw another line of the top here, that recent top. It's not a trend line, it's just a horizontal line. So now our initial target, I'm not going to saying it's going to be a straight line. Our initial target is around 107.50, thereabouts. So we are again 150 points away from our initial target. And it's an 80% move, 80% chance that is going to make there. And how long it's going to take, that's anybody's guess. If I were to guess, I would say 3.5 weeks, thereabouts. Could be a lot faster, could be slower, but I would say about 3 weeks I would give it. So that's it. So that's a bullish case for dollar index. Now, if it drops below this trend line, let me extend that a little. So if this drops below this trend line, all bets are off, guys. We are off, we take our losses, and we come back another day. That's it. It's over. But if it goes up, it's going to take about 3.5 weeks or so to go and breach or test this high, that recent high that was formed in exactly a year ago. Yeah. So, but once that breaks, guys, that is going to be a mother of all trades, because that move from 107, because there is no overhead resistance at before 114.80, right? Almost 115. So that 107 to 115 trade is what I am waiting for, because once that happens, I am going all in. Once this line breaks here, price goes above, say 107.50, that is clear skies after that till 115. So, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's not go way too ahead of ourselves and then, hey, start planning that trade. Let's see how this trade actually plays out. All right, guys. So now let's also look at EUR USD. All right, guys. Again, see that beautiful head and shoulder pattern and how it broke, and it's playing out exactly how I predicted it. And I think it has a lot further to go. But the majority of the profit for this particular trade has been made. Like our 80% of our bets are off the table at this point. We just have a little bit of it running because we want to capture the entire trend. I don't think the trade is over yet, because on the other hand, as I showed, the XY trade is not over yet. All right, guys. So let me show you guys USDCHF. Look at how beautiful this trade is actually playing out. So we, again, came out, and when it actually broke this trend line here, right, this congestion area here, we came out and said that, hey, time to go in long. And I hope you guys, took our advice and went long. All right. So let's look at USD CAD, USD CAD. Again, same thing. See that inverse head and shoulder playing out exactly how it's supposed to. Now here, guys, let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah. See you guys here right around 140. Once this thing breaks 140, guys, I am getting it in big time, because my next stop is 146. We are looking at a 600 pip trade. So I hope you guys are paying attention. start a conversation, ask me any questions you want. I just want to make sure that I have everything documented here so we can go back and look at how and when we predicted these moves and how they are playing out. So my goal now is to periodically, every day or 2-3 days, anytime there is a major move, come out and give you guys an update as to where things stand. And we have some big moves ahead of us, guys. Even though you missed the moves till now, there are a lot of good moves ahead of us. So there's plenty of action in the markets in the upcoming months, especially after the Trump win. Is super, super dollar bullish in the long term. Like in next year, 2-3 years, I see dollar going a lot higher. See why? Main reason is he's going to come in, and now Trump is going to start talking about tariffs. Tariffs is going to increase the demand for the dollars. So again, that's for another topic. That's for another day. It's not upon us yet. So when it becomes more and more relevant, I'll keep you guys updated. But I have a very close eye on it. I'm following these things very, very closely. So you guys don't have to. You guys just come in, take actionable items from here, and place in and trade alongside with us. All right, guys. So that's it for today. And I will keep you guys posted on as and when things come up. All right, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.